Jonathan with Smith Auto Detailing again here in Edmond, Oklahoma. Listen, if you're at this particular part of the website and you're watching this video, that means you're interested in having a ceramic coating applied to your car here in Edmond. This is just a quick 2-minute video that I put together of the exact process of applying a ceramic coating so you can get a better idea of what's going on. Now, I'll go away so that you can see hands-on what our ceramic coating service is.
Alrighty, so like I said, I'm just going to take you guys through our whole process for applying ceramic coating. So, of course, the very first step is preparation before applying the coating, and that starts with just our full exterior detail, as well as a complete decontamination, both physically with the clay bar and then chemically with iron fallout remover. Then following that, we move into paint correction if it's needed. Sometimes I get cars that, one, the client doesn't want paint correction or care as much about the condition of the paint, or two, it just came off the lot of the dealership and it's really not in that bad condition, and the customer would rather go straight in with the ceramic coating. But I will say, in my experience, I've found that a good middle ground is exactly what's needed for the majority of clients, and that ends up being just a one-step polish or paint enhancement, as I like to call it, where I'm able to go in and polish the car to an extent of getting about 80 to 90% of paint defects out prior to applying the coating. Now that we've completely prepared and inspected the paint to make sure there's no paint imperfections, we're able to go in and install our ceramic coatings. I do have 3 different options when it comes to our professional grade coatings, which is our 3-year, 6-year, and 10-year coatings. I will say our 6-year is definitely the most popular among our clients, packaged with a one-step enhancement. Now, usually we are applying to only painted surfaces and trim, but we can also apply a coating to your wheels and windows as well if that is of concern to you. If you want to see some of the results that we've been able to bring our clients, go ahead and go to our gallery page on our website to see plenty of pictures of past clients so that you can see exactly the type of quality that we bring our clients. Now, if you feel like a ceramic coating is exactly what you're looking for, go ahead and finish going through this website page and also visit our paint correction page to see if that's something you'd be interested in. And then feel free to either book online or just fill in our quote form to get in contact with me so that we can get you more information and get you scheduled in. Thank you, and I hope to be talking to you soon.